Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is 2 power of 13 plus to the power of 10 plus to the power of a, which is equal to b square. Find the value of a and b. So let's go to the solution. First, let's record the problem, which is to the power of 13 plus to the power of 10 plus to the power of a, which is equal to b square. Now we can factor out a common term, but before that we have to express this. We know that a is the power of m plus n is equal to a the power of m times a the power of n. So let's apply this for this expression. So this will be to the power of 10 times to the power of 3 plus to the power of 10 plus to the power of a, which is equal to b square. So now we can take a common term for this one. So to the power of 10 into to the power of 3 plus this will be 1. We can take this one into the right hand side, so b square minus to the power of a. So to the power of 10 times this will be to the power of 3, 8 plus 1, that's 9, which is equal to b square minus to the power of a. So this will be 9, which is equal to b square minus to the power of a divided by to the power of 10. And let's say this is equation 1. Then let's b square divided by to the power of 10 is equal to k square, and let's say it's equation 2, and to the power of a divided by to the power of 10, which is equal to 2 square. Let's say this is equation 3. Then equation 1 will be, then equation 1 will be 9, which is equal to k square minus t square. So from difference of square we know that a square minus b square is equal to a times a plus b times a minus b. So applying this one for this term, it will be k plus t times k minus t is equal to 9. So let's express this 9 in terms of this one. So k plus t, k minus t will be, this 9 will be the sum of 5 and 4, 5 plus 4 times 5 minus 4. So from here we can say that k plus t is equal to 9 and k minus t is equal to 1. So from here we can say that k is equal to 5 and t is equal to 4. So according to equation 1 and equation 2, according to equation 2 and 3, k square is equal to b square divided by 2 to the power of 10. So this k is 5, so 5 square, which is equal to b square divided by to the power of 10. And this b square will be to the power of 10 times 5 square. So b square will be, this to the power of 10 can be expressed as to the power of 5 times to the power of 5 times this will be 25. So b square finally will be 25,600, and when we say it is square root, b will be 160. And from equation 3, t square is equal to the power of a divided by to the power of 10 from equation 3. So t is 4 square, which is equal to the power of a divided by to the power of 10. So from here, to the power of a is equal to 4 square times to the power of 10. So we can express this 4 square in terms of 2. So to the power of a, which is equal to 2 square, the power of 2 times to the power of 10, then to the power of a, which is equal to the power of 4 times to the power of 10. So as you know, here the base are the same, so to the power of a, which is equal to the power of 10 plus 4 will be 14, and the value of a will be 4 since the bases are the same. But now we have to check. So we got a, which is equal to 14, and b, which is equal to 116. Let's check whether the answer is correct or not. So to the power of 13 plus to the power of 10 plus to the power of a, which is equal to b square. So let's substitute the value of a and b. To the power of 13 plus to the power of 10 plus to the power of 14, which is equal to 160 square. So we can write this one to the power of 10 times to the power of 3 plus to the power of 10 plus to the power of 10 times to the power of 4, which is equal to, and we can factorize this one. So when we factorize, it will be to the power of 5 times 5 the whole square. So finally, this we can factor out the common term, which is to the power of 10 into to the power of 3 plus 1 plus to the power of 4, which is equal to the power of 10 times this will be 5 square. So to the power of 10 into this will be around 8, 9, 16, 25, which is equal to the power of 10 times 5 square. So to the power of 10 times 25, which is equal to the power of 10 times 5 square is 25. So our answer is correct, and the value of a is 14 and b is 116. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.